So I found this free tool from Microsoft that honestly should get way more attention than it does. It's called MarkItDown, and here's the problem it solves. Whenever you paste a PDF or a Word document into ChatGPT or Claude, you're using way more tokens than you actually need to. All that formatting, all those hidden characters, it adds up fast. MarkItDown fixes that. It takes almost any file, PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, even audio files, and turns them into clean Markdown. And Markdown is basically the language AI models understand best. Less tokens, better results. Let me show you how to set it up. First, on Windows. If you already have Python installed, skip the following step. Go to python.org and download Python from here, and after downloading, install like any program. And after installing Python, just run this command. And that's it, just give it some time. And it's installed. Now, on Linux, first checking if Python is installed. I recommend setting up a virtual environment first, just keeps things clean. I will quickly set up a virtual environment. Just run this command like on Windows, and that's it. Just give it some time. And it's installed. Now let's actually convert something. I have a PDF in this location, and it's called cryptography.pdf. Let's run this command and put the name of the PDF file here. Same command will be used in Linux in Python virtual environment. And just like that, we have a clean Markdown file. Look at that. Headings, tables, all the important structure is still there. But now it's in a format that saves you tokens and works so much better with any AI tool you're using. If you're building anything with AI, whether it's a chatbot, a RAG system, or you're just tired of pasting messy PDFs into ChatGPT, this tool is genuinely worth adding to your workflow. It's free, it's open source, and it takes 2 minutes to set up. Give it a try.